Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice on the ChatGPT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ChatGPT app on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password or your Google account. After logging in, you will end up within the chat page. Now, if you wish to change the voice that the ChatGPT application uses to interact with you, then you can do this from your settings. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on the three dots alongside your username. From here, go ahead and tap on speech, and now you will see the voice option. You can tap on this in order to choose from the various different voices that are available for the ChatGPT application. You can cycle through the various different voices and choose the one that you wish to set as. As you scroll through each voices, the voice will also play back and you can hear it in real time. Once you have chosen your desired voice, you can tap on the confirm button, and now this voice will be set for all of the ChatGPT speech functions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the voice within the ChatGPT app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.